Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe just to support my channel. So guys, I saw that most of you are crying about that thing that is called academic integrity, what testing. I will try by all means to guide you. So you just go straight to any internet app that you have, excuse yeah, and then you press www.unisa .ac.za, and then it's going to take you straight here. This one is application, yeah, but it's part of. Let me just press it straight so that we can be on the same page, because of some people they want it to look alike. Okay, yeah, this is the home page. So it's going to take you straight to our home page, as you can see it. If you're using a cell phone, it's going to be different, but not that much. And then you press my UNISA. For now, you press my UNISA, and then you scroll down after it is loaded. Under announcement, we have, yeah, here it is. We have you completed the compulsory academic integrity course? Up, Upholding academic integrity is our collective responsibility. I get. So what I will do is that I will just take a link and then put it under the description of this video, because this thing is a part of notice. I get. So every week they kind of like upload. If there's something new, they kind of like upload. And then if they upload so many things, this thing's going to move from here to like going down until you cannot even see it again. So by the time maybe you will be watching this video, it might be, gone. So I'll just put the link straight under the description of this video. Then you will go there and then you will press that link, which is going to take you here. So as it is stated, as you can see, have you completed the compulsory academic integrity course? Upholding academic integrity is our collective responsibility. Then you just scroll down. Or you can just read this thing. Have you completed the what? I just read that thing. All undergraduate and postgraduate student NQ5 to NQ8 must complete the course by 30 March 2025. So this one is for all undergraduates, which means that once you are doing high certificate, diploma, degree, you are included in this. And then level A7, 6 is a diploma, 7 is a degree, 8 is a honors. So which means that starting from high certificate to honors is honors, because of masters is 9, and then 10 is PhD. So which means that starting from high certificate to must not honors, from high certificate to honors, you must write this thing. So they have explained here, as you can see, duration is 4 hours. I don't know how long is this thing. I have not yet wrote it. And then the platform is mock.unisa.ac.za, and then use my live credentials. So this way that they have explained enough for me, it's kind of like confusing. I don't understand it, but I will just use a shortcut that is going to take you straight there. So from this part we scroll down. As you can see, click here to access the course, and then we click. Okay, sharp, we are here, ne? So listen and pay attention to the instruction. Let me just log out so that you can see, because it will lock me automatically, because my laptop has like everything, my personal information. So let me just log out so that you can see step by step. Alright, let me just come here. Let me just press it again. Aha, it's like this. It's going to show you like this now. So here's a video which is going to, I don't know, it's going to give you some kind of like tips and details about this thing. So here's the thing. When you scroll down around here, it's going to show you academic integrity user, kindly see the details and step below. So you can go through these steps and see how I have achieved, or how I went to this part. So let's start with number one. Please ensure that you complete, I'm just say please ensure that you clicked on complete at the end of each unit. So each unit that you'll be writing, you need to click complete. You should see a green circle on the left of each unit. So which means that once you are done, you are going to see, it's more like a mock test. A mock test, you still remember, before you can write the mock test, it, like, you have to go through some certain things that you have to read, videos that you have to watch, and then once you press next, and then that circle, white circle in a gray, I mean to say that gray circle with white color will turn into green. I got. So let's start with the first step now. So the first step states that please read through these steps carefully. So what you need is to click login. I got. Here's login. Here is login. I got. So after logging in, you need to click on the user. I'm going to say use my UNISA email account. So guys, for those who can write this thing, I get, are those who their registration has been finalized and they did claim my UNISA password, and then they also activated my live email account and also verified my live email account. So if you have not yet activated and verified my live email account, you will not go through. Hence, most of you guys are struggling with this thing. It's because of when you get to that part of user what you kind of like enter your student number. Here they need my live email account. My live email account is going to start with, I'm going to say, my live email address. It's going to start with your student number at mylife.unisa.ac.za. Ne? So is either it's going to show you like this, oh no, it's going to show you like this, ne? And then once you click this rectangle, ne? Once you click this rectangle which state that use my UNISA email account, then it's going to show you like this. So it's either it's going to show you like this, and then you will have to enter it manually, or if maybe you want saved your credentials or your information, then it's going to like just give you this box and then you go straight. I get. Now for myself, I'm using my own laptop, or I normally use my own devices, so hence everything is saved. But if you're using someone's laptop or computer, or you are using internet, those ones from internet cafes and stuff like that, please do not save your information in those laptops or computers or anyone's device, only in your device. So if you're using someone's device, you need to enter it manually simply. Then you will enter it. Is if it shows you like this, step number 3, type in your my I'm going to say type in your UNISA my life email address and click next on the bottom. So my live email address is that one that I said that it is going to start with your student number at mylife.unisa.ac.za. Then you press next. Next, we go to step number 4. Step number 4, type in your my UNISA password and then click on the sign in button. So my UNISA password is that password that you have claimed in order for you to activate my UNISA. I get it. So last time I remember it had around it had about 3 small capital letters, 2 numbers, and then 3 small letters. So most of the time it starts with 3 small letters, 2 numbers, and then it finishes with 3 capital letters. And the other thing that you should know is that you need to enter this password the same way it appears on your SMS, or the same way it is on your SMS. Again, it has to be, when there's a capital letter, there have to be a capital letter. When there's a small letter, there has to be a small letter. I need to, don't be like, oh, okay, it's XAB, what, and don't only without checking. So if maybe, like, let's say that there is letter L, which is a capital letter, and then when you write it with a small letter, the password is correct, but it's going to be incorrect when you enter it, because of they recognize it as a capital letter, not small letter. So it's going to say incorrect. Then from there you can click in and then you can sign in, which is number 5. Then you click on the my courses menu option. Excuse guys, I don't have my spectacles right now, so some of the things I cannot see them very well, and then I'm kind of like tired. But yeah, at least what I'm saying, I do believe that it is visible, and then I'm loud enough so that you can hear. And then you press my courses. Then from there you scroll down, you select academic integrity course. So we are gonna do all these steps in there, but the step that I'm not going to show you, or this laptop will not allow you to see, is this part, number 3 and number 4. Reason why is because my credentials are already in. I have saved everything in. Even when I'm going to my admin, I don't have to re-enter the password. I just select the student number and then again. Then we press what? We press log in. And we want to log in. And then it's going to show you, are you a registered UNISA student or staff member? So you see that it needs those who the registration has been finalized. Eh? Then you press yes. So after pressing yes, but for some of you guys it may not show you, and especially if you are a new student, it might not show you that thing. So here's that rectangle that they were talking about, which is use my UNISA email account. So we press it exactly, press straight in this rectangle. Ne? You press it, then it's going to turn into blue. It is loading. You're gonna see. As you can see, here's my email, and then I entered it. It's going to need me to verify. Okay, let me just verify it quick. Oh, I'm using the SIM card. So guys, just give me a minute. It will need me to verify it, because the problem is that I logged out. That was the problem. But I will just see it fast. I do believe that I received an email. I'm to say SMS, because of my email address has been verified. So after like after 60 days they will ask me to enter my pin. So I'm still waiting for the SMS. Yeah, I do have it. Seven, three, nine. Why am I gonna get five? Aha, yes, a five. My keyboard is not working, guys, so I'm kind of like cheating the system. So I just do it like this so that it may not ask me again. So everything has been verified. Voila, we are in. Ne? So when we are in like this, as you can see, your initials are going to appear there. As you can see, not initials. Let's just say that the first name and and yeah, the first letter of your name and then the first letter of your surname are going to appear there. KL. K is my name, L is my surname, you know? So it's going to appear. Then which means that you have logged in. Remember, where do we go? This thing still shows us the way. It's still more like the same, but now we have logged in. I get. So here's the thing. We go to my courses. Then you press my courses. So it's going to show you like this. So for me, ne, it's going to write you are not enrolled in any courses. Once you have enrolled in a course, it will appear here. I get it. So for you, it is going to appear. Now for myself, it's because of my registration has not been finalized. So right now, UNISA does not consider me as a UNISA student. They just consider me as a normal person. Ne? So that's the problem. So, but if your registration has been finalized, it won't give you a problem that much. Just like myself. So this is how you do it, guys. I don't know if maybe you guys are going to struggle, but I do believe that I have explained it to a point whereby you can see what is what. So you're going to find it here under my courses. Ne? So if you have any question, guys, please do ask, and then do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.